that was easy. Hi, I'm Kenna from GiantGear. Our Mudflaps have so many features that distinguish us from the competition. Take our Ford F-150 new generation mudflap. This is one of our premium custom-cut mudflaps made with durable rubber and our fully customizable brushed aluminum plate. Our graphics department can take your dealership logo and any artwork you may have, which will act as a mini billboard for your dealership. This is why our motto for years has been that we create advertising that lasts. And with our array of custom-cut and universal mudflaps, you're bound to find the perfect fit for your trucks. Now let's get to the easy part. GiantGear has a streamlined installation system that cuts installation time in half compared to our competitors. Think of all the time your technicians will save on installation, and we all know time is money. So what more could you ask for? High-quality, durable mudflaps that double as advertising and are installed in no time. That's the GiantGear way.